Ever wondered about the magic behind those lightning-fast transactions at your favorite local shop? The ones that zip you through checkout in a flash? Chances are a company called Lightspeed is playing a big part. But who owns this tech powerhouse that's revolutionizing retail and restaurants? That's the question we're diving into today. Before we unravel the ownership puzzle, let's paint a picture of what Lightspeed actually does. Imagine a bustling boutique, a trendy restaurant, or even your local golf shop. They all have one thing in common. They need a way to manage sales, inventory, customer relationships, and a whole lot more. That's where Lightspeed comes in. They offer a comprehensive, cloud-based platform that acts like a central nervous system for these businesses. Think of it as a super smart cash register combined with powerful business management tools. Lightspeed helps businesses process payments seamlessly, track every item sold, manage their stock levels, understand their customer preferences, and even run marketing campaigns. It's a one-stop shop for everything a modern business needs to thrive. Now, why is this important? In today's fast-paced world, businesses can't afford to rely on outdated systems. They need technology that's as agile and efficient as they are. Lightspeed provides that edge, allowing businesses to focus on what they do best, serving their customers and growing their operations. They're not just selling software. They're empowering businesses to succeed in a competitive landscape. So, back to our original question. Who owns this game-changing company? The answer, like many things in the business world, is a bit more complex than a simple name. Lightspeed is a publicly traded company, meaning its ownership is distributed among a large number of shareholders. You can actually buy shares of Lightspeed stock on the stock market. This means there isn't one single owner who calls all the shots. Think of it like a giant puzzle. There are many pieces, each representing a different shareholder, and together they make up the whole picture of Lightspeed's ownership. These shareholders can range from individual investors like you and me to large institutional investors like pension funds and investment firms. Now, while there isn't a single dominant owner, there are key players who have a significant influence on the company. These include the company's founders, executives, and board of directors. These individuals are responsible for setting the strategic direction of the company and making major decisions. Let's talk about the founders for a moment. They're the visionaries who came up with the initial idea for Lightspeed and worked tirelessly to bring it to life. Often, founders retain a significant stake in the company even after it goes public, meaning they still own a substantial number of shares. Their passion and expertise continue to shape the company's trajectory. Then there are the executives, the people who run the day-to-day operations. They're responsible for executing the company's strategy and ensuring it achieves its goals. The CEO, CFO, and other top executives play a crucial role in guiding the company's growth and success. The board of directors is another important group. They're like the guardians of the company, overseeing its management and ensuring it's acting in the best interests of its shareholders. The board is typically composed of experienced business leaders who bring a wealth of knowledge and expertise to the table. Now, you might be wondering, why is it important to understand who owns a company like Lightspeed? Well, for a number of reasons. First, it gives you insight into the company's governance structure. Knowing who the key players are can help you understand how decisions are made and who is ultimately accountable. Second, ownership can influence a company's strategy and direction. For example, a company with a strong founder presence might have a different approach than one that's primarily owned by institutional investors. Understanding the ownership structure can give you clues about the company's long-term vision and priorities. Third, if you're considering investing in a company, understanding its ownership structure is essential. It's one of the many factors you should consider before making an investment decision. You want to make sure you're comfortable with the company's leadership and governance. So, to recap, Lightspeed is a publicly traded company with a distributed ownership structure. While there isn't one single owner, key players like the founders, executives, and board of directors have a significant influence on the company. Understanding this ownership structure can provide valuable insights into the company's governance, strategy, and overall direction. It's fascinating to see how a company like Lightspeed, starting from an idea, can grow into a global force impacting businesses worldwide. They're not just processing transactions. They're empowering entrepreneurs, shaping the future of retail, and connecting businesses with their customers in innovative ways. They're a testament to the power of technology and the entrepreneurial spirit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.